Welcome to your Encore GX safety and driver assistance technologies. Your Encore GX comes standard with Buick Driver Confidence. Your Buick Driver Confidence includes these features: following distance indicator, forward collision alert and automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and IntelliBeam System. And your vehicle is equipped with rear vision camera and 10 standard airbags. Additional available safety and driver assistance features include camera-based adaptive cruise control, automatic parking assist with braking, HD surround vision, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, and rear cross traffic alert. Welcome to safety technologies designed around you.